Pork loin with mustard is a mouthwatering dish that combines the tenderness of pork loin with the tangy kick of mustard. To prepare this dish, a boneless pork loin is typically seasoned with salt, pepper, and perhaps some garlic powder for extra flavor. Ingredients: 1 pork loin, 1 onion, 1 clove garlic, 2 tablespoons mustard, 2 tablespoons of heavy cream or cream, 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 glass of white winter salt and pepper. Preparation: 1. Peel and chop the onion into small squares, then also peel and chop the garlic clove very small. 2. Later, clean the loin, removing any fat that may be on the outside, as well as the cloth that covers it. Then, cut into portions approximately 2 or 3 fingers high. 3. Then, place 1 tablespoon of oil in the pan and bring to high heat. When it is hot, distribute the loin medallions and seal them, browning both sides well. 4. Next, remove the pork and place another tablespoon of oil in the same pan. Lower the heat and cook the onion and garlic. If you notice that it is a little dry, you can add teaspoons of water and continue cooking until the vegetables are tender and golden. 5. It is time to raise the heat, and when the pan is very hot, add the white wine, wait a couple of minutes for the alcohol to evaporate, and add the mustard. 6. Stir well and replace the loin. Cover and let cook for approximately 5 minutes. 7. Turn them and add the milk or cream. Integrate all the sauce well, bathe the loin, cover and cook a couple more minutes. 8. Check the flavor and, if necessary, add salt. Now you can serve the dish. Cover with the mustard sauce. A couple of turns of the pepper grinder and you are ready to eat.